Welcome back to Travel Tips, your trusted source for aviation news, global travel and immigration updates. In this video, we're diving into the latest update from India's electronic arrival card system, what it means for international travelers, how it works, and what you need to know before your next trip to India. Let's get started. India introduces electronic arrival card, starting October 1, 2025. Foreign nationals entering India will have to submit an application for an e-arrival card online, replacing the traditional electronic arrival card to replace paper visa. For foreign nationals entering India will have to submit an application for an electronic arrival card up to 72 hours before departure. The card must be submitted online within 72 hours prior to arrival. Applicants are required to provide full name, nationality, passport, others essential personal and travel information. Foreign travelers to India can skip paper immigration forms. The e-arrival card will ask for basic details such as passport number, nationality, purpose of visit, local address, and contact information number. Americans will need to complete a new digital entry form landing in India, as confirmed by the country's authorities. India's electronic arrival card is now live, streamlining immigration for foreign visitors. All foreign travelers must complete the form online before entering India, and the electronic arrival card is now mandatory for all non-Indian nationals traveling to India. It must be submitted online between 72 hours and 24 hours. India has instituted a mandatory electronic arrival card for all inbound travelers. Visitors must submit their details electronically before arrival. India requires all inbound travelers, including foreign nationals, to submit an e-arrival card electronically before arrival, replacing the old paper disembarkation form. Travelers can complete the card within 72 hours of arrival via the official Indian visa online website or the Suvagatam app, providing details like passport information, contact details, and a local address. Indian citizens and overseas citizens of India cardholders are exempt from this requirement. When we see key details for travelers, generally the electronic arrival card is a digital form that replaces the traditional paper disembarkation arrival card. All international guests traveling to India, all Indian citizens and overseas citizen of India cardholders. The applicants and guests shall use the official Indian visa online website, the official Bureau of Immigration website, or the mobile app for the card process. Passport number, nationality, purpose of visit, contact information, and local address in India demanding for the application. This change electronic arrival card streamlines the immigration process, reduces airport delays, and enhances border security. Travelers arriving in India after October 1, 2025, should visit the official Indian visa online portal, fill out the e-arrival card, and keep a digital confirmation to present upon arrival. International guests must complete their e-arrival card online up to 72 hours before arrival. In Delhi and other international airports they introduce e-arrival card on arrival. Passengers will be processed faster as manual form filling and paper handling are no longer required. The online form, available through the Bureau of Immigration website, the Suvagatam app, and the Indian Visa online portal, asks for only essential. Thanks for watching our channel Travel Tips. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more worldwide aviation news, travel updates and visa information. Stay tuned, stay informed, and see you in the next flight.